What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. When should a Goodwill letter be used? The basis for the Goodwill deletion request letter is the age-old axiom that everyone makes errors. Simply explained, it is the process of acknowledging a mistake to a lender and requesting that they not punish you as a result of it. This obviously only works for one-time, low-level things like 30-day late payments. In today's credit system, the 30-day late payment clock starts on the loan's due date. As a result, you are unlikely to be able to claim that you were on vacation, working long hours, or that you merely paid a day or two late. Instead, you should request a Goodwill deletion from creditors based on the fact that this was a one-time occurrence that will not happen again. This works best if you have a strong credit payment history and little indication of previous errors. As a result, a Goodwill deletion request letter should be written differently from a standard disagreement letter. It should be friendly and remorseful rather than hard and professional. You should agree that you were late, but emphasize that you are a dependable client who has been with the company for X years and would not repeat the error. This method works and is a terrific tool for you if you have a solid credit record with only a few mistakes. There are 6 components to mention when writing a Goodwill deletion letter. These 6 components are the key to a successful deletion. 1. Information from your point of view. The Goodwill deletion request, like other dispute letters, will be written in the first person. 2. Information on the relationships. Include the length of your connection with the creditor, as well as the percentage of time that relationship was good. 3. The demand. Make your request for a Goodwill adjustment for the purpose of reporting to the bureaus as specific as possible. 4. A track record of being on time. Explain how long the account has been paid on time to demonstrate that the present item is an outlier. 5. Justification. Give a personal explanation for the late payment, stating why it was a one-time blunder that will not be repeated. 6. Sincerity. Given all of the information you've revealed, be genuine in your final appeal to have the item removed. Of course, each Goodwill deletion request letter is unique. There is, however, a formula to follow that has shown to be the most successful. When directed to the original creditor rather than the credit agency, this method is most effective. Goodwill deletions are unlikely to be granted by credit bureaus, as they are seen as causing erroneous credit ratings. Clients have greater clout with creditors with whom they already have a connection, make regular payments, and are motivated to keep long-term clients satisfied. Goodwill deletions are a wonderful choice for clients who have made 1 or 2 minor mistakes on an account but otherwise have an excellent track record. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel and go get that money.